Vietnamese sandwich. Look at this. Pork belly sandwich. Oh man. I've never had a sandwich like this. Hi everyone, David Hoffman from Davidsbeenhere in my hometown of Miami, Florida, and I'm extremely excited because tonight I'm taking you to Miami's first Asian themed marketplace. It's called 1-800-LUCKY. It's located in Wynwood. They have 7 different food vendors, 2 full-service bars, a karaoke room, a record store, and a convenience store. We're gonna be meeting up with Ruben, the manager of operations. He's gonna take me around and we're gonna eat all that delicious Asian food. I love Asian food. I cannot wait. Let's get to 1-800-LUCKY. David, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, David.
Ruben's gonna be showing me around. There's 7 food vendors.
7 food vendors.
What are we starting with?
We're going to start with Lotus Cleaver, our Chinese takedown on the most classic dishes. We have one of the best and biggest woks in Miami, and one of the best professionals in that. A very, very specific type of cooking.
Yeah.
But more Chinese than that.
Yeah, Peking duck.
Peking duck. We have chicken wings, we have the ribs, and everything's daily cooked, fresh as can get.
So here in Lotus Cleaver, they have the Peking duck. It's one of my favorite things in the world.
The magic of this project is Ben and Alan, the owners of this. These are their favorite restaurants. So they fly to New York, they fly to California when we talk on other vendors, but they talk to them. We have this space. I want you to come to Miami, come to Wynwood, see the area, see the environment where we're planning to do this amazing project. And we want to put the best 7 restaurants in one roof. Never done in Miami. We are the first to open. There's more to come, but they're going to be second and third and fourth. But we are the first to put 7 different restaurants in one place. It's an amazing concept. We're very successful. People like it, people love it. Besides, you have all the music that is attached to this project. There's a lot of nightlife, and it's a constant traffic of people. People is really loving it.
And again, this is the first Asian themed marketplace in Miami.
Yeah, 7 Asian restaurants under one roof. Now we're gonna move to one of my favorite
food. You guys want to shoot it and eat it?
Oh, there you go.
Why not?
Right.
Oh my god, I love these by the way.
Yeah,
these are amazing.
That's typical Hawaiian poke bowls. There's poke uji, one of my favorites from based in California. Here, people come to this stool and they have their menu here, and they order to them, and they make it and set it up for them, and they come out of here. I mean,
so they make it right in front?
Yep.
And then you eat it. Okay, awesome.
This is pineapple with watermelon and a spicy sauce.
Alright, so we're gonna try 2 poke bowls. Oh my god.
You might need some help.
Yeah, I think so. Thank you so much.
Alright,
tonight I'm gonna eat a little too much, but it's fine. It's Asian food.
MYUMI.
Oh, so it's different.
It's 2 restaurants in here.
Oh wow.
Yeah, they share.
So what's MYUMI? It's like hand rolls?
Hand rolls, yeah.
Awesome. I love hand rolls.
We have Rio here.
This is like an amberjack hand roll. This is a dehydrated basil with a sesame and a yuzu pepper with a amberjack with a Japanese basil on top. Soy sauce on top and a little bit of wasabi and the lora.
So the first thing I'm gonna eat is an amberjack hand roll at MYUMI. That's delicious.
Good, right?
Oh my god. Do you put anything in it or just like this?
Just like this.
I haven't had amberjack. Yeah, no, it's definitely citrusy, but it's nice. It's very smooth, man.
We have Hayato right here. They specialize in ramen. So, I mean, they have one of the most amazing ramens in Miami. Same thing, all the ingredients are freshly made on a daily basis. They made their own pasta, their own noodles and everything. All the broth is, I mean, it's amazing. You just have to try it. I mean, they're making one right now for us.
So Ruben's telling me is that it gets very busy at night. This place opens at 5 p.m. So around, let's say 7?
Actually 3.
Oh, 3 p.m.
3.
And then when it gets really full, they give you a buzzer, and then you just sit down wherever you can find a seat, and you wait.
Then you have a cocktail server asking you if you want to drink something. I'm going to take it to your table. So
Perfect.
this is Jeep. This is the biggest steamer in Miami right now, 24 slots. With the volume that we handle here in daily basis, they are amazing. I mean, I really don't understand how you keep different of the basket with different things, and he knows everything. He's the master of everything, so it's amazing, amazing. And the product they put out of the window is just fantastic.
I mean, this is impressive, and they got everything: pork dumplings, shrimp dumplings, todo, no?
Yep, yep.
Oh.
I mean, probably you've been in a lot of restaurants, but you've never seen a steamer like this.
I've seen something like this in China, but never in Miami.
This is our take on a Vietnamese deli by Chef Scott Lindquist. He created this beautiful concept of sandwiches. I mean, it's as you can see on our board, we have barbecue pork, short ribs, we have head cheese. I mean, from that you can imagine what kind of flavors we're talking about right here. Everything is grilled in a charcoal grill right here. As you can see, they put all the meats there, they marinate it, they have this beautiful bread.
Yeah, you know, I've never had food from a Vietnamese deli, but I've had a lot of pho.
They are very, very,
very spicy. Oh,
spicy.
I love spicy.
If you like spicy, this is one of the right places and the right salsas to put on your food. Probably one of the longest bars in Miami. As you can see, we are divided in two areas, just for the fact that we have our outdoor space at night. It becomes crazy. It's wild. It's packed. We have DJs every day. We have different DJs. I'll show you later our DJ booth and all the capacity this place has for having an amazing time with amazing food. So we have inside bar, and then we have our outside bar that replicates the inside.
So right here we're gonna have a soju cocktail. Soju is gonna be similar to sake. Instead of being brewed, it's gonna be distilled. So I use that as the base, as well as a Caribbean pineapple liqueur. We have a Swedish punch liqueur, and then just your traditional sour mix backing on it. So it's gonna be a nice, refreshing cocktail, but at the same time, anyone that's drinking rice in any form, whether it's soju, sake, or anything, it'd be a nice transition over where you're not gonna feel groggy or, you know, maybe just a little bit more inebriated than you should. The other is gonna be a mezcal aviation. So it's gonna be mezcal, which is gonna be a smoky form of agave, creme de violette, lemon juice, and simple syrup. So it's gonna be a play on a traditional aviation cocktail, just using the smoky flavor of a mezcal to give you more of a umami and bring out all the senses.
All right, you sold me, dude. You sold me.
One of our signature beverages here is Ichiban Beer with a slushy on top of Ichiban Beer. So this is not the beer foam, this is slushy.
So it's Ichiban with a slushy on top
of Ichiban Beer.
Oh my god.
And we have a slush machine. We put the beer inside, take 35 minutes to 40 minutes to cool it off, and make this thicker, like slushy of beer that is really, I mean, when you put it together, it's amazing.
That's delicious.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Oh man, the slushy is a whole different thing.
Yep. It's our signature drink here.
The slushy on top. Woo. Fire.
We have one of the biggest selection in Wynwood of sake.
What Ruben's telling me is they're also known for their sakis. They have a variety of sakis.
Taiyaki, New York. It's a Japanese ice cream. As you can see, probably it's one of the most photogenic food that we have here. It's so sexy. Honestly, it's just you put a word on that, it's really sexy and delicious. I mean, it's super colorful. They have different flavors, vanilla, but mostly is the presentation and the cone. It's like a fish in a lot of ice cream. The best part is the cone.
All right, so here's our feast. Oh my god. Okay, so
where to start?
Poke bowl. We got some
spring rolls.
Forgot what this was.
Banh Amis. That's fried noodles with bacon and egg.
Okay.
So we have the ramen here. We have the shumai here.
I guess let's try some of these.
Shrimp dim sum and beer. Of course.
Cheers.
Cheers.
I think we should try some dim sum first, right?
Yeah. Go for the dim sum.
When I was in China, I ate this like every morning, just non-stop.
For breakfast, yeah.
Oh my god. Yeah, I think I overdid it. I mean, they want me to try everything from everybody, so get some of this fried rice. Dim sum for me is my favorite. The spicy sauce is out of this world. So it's like pineapple, edamame, avocado.
And flavors are really down to the real flavors.
A little spicy, that one.
Yeah.
I like that. So this is noodles with bacon, poached egg, and it just looks phenomenal. Look at this. These noodles are like thick, long noodles. I'm sure the poach does gives it a nice little twist. Get some of that bacon all together. Dude,
It's really good.
I can eat this all day.
Rice also really, really good.
It's nice. Not too dry. It's like perfect. Spring rolls. Throw some sauce. Vietnamese sandwich. Look at this pork belly sandwich. Oh man.
Exactly what I said the first time I tried.
I've never had a sandwich like this. We have the ramen from Hayato.
And you have your spoon right there.
Got my
You have
spoon.
the proper tools to dig in
Okay.
noodles, and I mean, believe me, you're gonna be.
This pork. We have egg. We have like a seaweed. Best noodles in town. So rich.
Yeah.
Flavors.
They come very early in the morning to do the order broth and have it there working all day.
They need to teach me how to make that egg, man. The egg is so good. It's ridiculous. Alright, so we tried everything. Ramen, poke bowl, noodles, rice, Vietnamese sandwich, and the spring rolls. Oh, and dim sum. I mean, everything was out of this world. I really can't tell you what my favorite is because everything was phenomenal. Personally, the sandwich, the Vietnamese sandwich was like something I've never tried before. That's just something special.
Ruben, what'd you bring here? All right, from Taiyaki, New York. It's a matcha tea ice cream.
Look at this.
I mean, one of my favorite things.
It's really hot.
The cone, if you take it off, it's like it looks like a little fishy.
Okay.
So that it's eating not an ice cream. So I really recommend you to Korea because it's amazing flavors, and when you get to the cone, I mean, you really see the light, man.
What'd you get me? Matcha? Or what
Yeah,
is this?
matcha.
Oh my god. I'm gonna have to go through the whole thing. So right here, it is like a Turkish delight.
Yeah, those are candy fruits.
This is amazing. The combination.
Yep.
This matcha. Matcha is like a type of tea.
Cone.
What is in this cone?
That's exactly the same reaction I had. Wow! It's like, oh my god, this is the best thing in the world.
That's chocolate in here too?
Yep.
It's the best cone I ever had in my life. This cone is like a dough. There's chocolate inside. It came hot. Little koi fish.
I got another surprise for you. You can see it. So you're talking about presentation.
Dude, what'd you do here? Ruben, what did you bring me? What is this?
It's one of the most creative presentation I've seen in a dessert and ice cream. It's a slushy cotton candy.
With cotton
sprinkles.
candy.
Sprinkles.
Do I get to keep this?
Yeah, that's yours. Yeah.
Oh, you get to keep the float?
You keep the floating, and then you can put your beer in there when you go to the pool. Multi-purpose.
What?
Yep.
My wife will die here. So it's called taro slushy. Dairy free.
Dairy free.
I mean, it looks like it's full of milk, but it's good. It's thick. Man, this sold me.
That's it.
So now we're going to a convenience store, and they also have a record store.
Call it bodega.
Bodega.
Yeah, this is our convenience store and Lucky Records. In this convenience store, you can get from candies, Japanese candies, Chinese candies, groceries, everything you want. We have our logo t-shirts like this one.
Oh, nice. Dude, I love it.
Check it out. They are over there. We have hats. And also we have this super cool, if you're a record collector, here you can find some really weird stuff and really unique and records that perfectly, we have used and new ones.
All we're missing is a real cat for the bodega. That would top it off.
That was an incredible experience. The food was out of this world. Some of the best Asian food I've ever had in Miami. I gotta give a big thanks to Ruben and the entire team at 1-800-LUCKY. That is an incredible concept. Gotta take a little souvenir home with me for my daughter. Food's amazing. The bar is out of control, and if you guys come here on Friday around 10 p.m., you guys will really enjoy it. It's like a nightclub in there. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next adventure.